I know, just let me check. Oh my God, girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You cannot have 11 babies. I'm not allowing it. Let me have a couple. Just a couple. Hello. Hello. Let me have a couple. Let me have a couple. You can broody some of them. Let me have a couple. Let me have a couple. Here. And you can broody some of them. Okay? There you go. Give me a couple green eggs. Let me see. Girl, do you have a duck egg under here? No. Okay. I'll bring you some food and water. Go ahead. Go ahead about your business. Girl. 11 eggs? That's insanity.